Hi there, Andy Lowe from EasyMoneyBetting.com. Just another example of a free bet. This time it's from 88 Sport. £5 free bet every day when you win at 5 to 1. Sorry, 4 to 1, which is 5.0 or bigger. So this is how we play this one. So just going to their website. It says bet now. I've already placed this bet because I got quite a good odds. So how did I do this? So first of all, I went into my calendar, and then I brought the calculator and I looked for the bets. Let's see if it's still there. So this is the bet I was looking at. All right, I was ideally I'd rather get something at about 5 because obviously it's got more chance of winning. But this was a no lose bet because it's 15 odds, and to lay it off was 15 as well. So I press on my I there. That brings the data up. I put 5 in there. It's a qualifier, and I can lay £5 because obviously the odds are exactly the same. So if it wins, I get a £5 free bet. If it loses, I lose nothing. So when I went into Smarkets, you'll notice that the price I actually got was 14, and so that means I can actually lay off £5.36. So I'm making 36p profit, and if it wins, I get a £5 free bet. So it's like I say, it's a no-brainer really. But ideally, I would have rather have picked a horse around the 5 because obviously it's got more chance of winning. But you never know. So yeah, that's just another one, another way of just locking in a little bit of profit and the chance of winning a £5 free bet.